Hey YouTube, I'm going to try to do a beginner-oriented lesson. So we're going to learn this PJ Harvey song called Good Fortune. I think it's off an album called Songs from a City or something like that. She's in the city. Maybe New York City. I don't know. Good Fortune. Fortune off the top of a very tall building. I wish I did it with you. Those lyrics are not exact, but this is what's being played: A minor to G during that section of the first section of the verse. So A minor is just the index on the first fret on the B string, and then we got our ring finger and middle finger at the second fret on G and D. And you can play strings A through E. And then I just played the G like this. I put my ring on the third fret on the low E string, and I mute the A. And then I play the G at the third fret on the high E too. You can put your finger on the your middle finger on the A string. That's how it would be taught. I just don't play it like that. And then C, C, F, F, C, C, F, F. C is very similar to the A minor. We got our index finger on the B string at the first fret. We got our middle finger on the D string at the second fret. Then we have our ring finger on the actual C, which is the A string at the third fret. And then all we're going to do is shift these fingers down one string set. Okay, right now we're on the 5-4. Now we're going to go to a 4-3. And that's F. So just to make it clear, index finger still on the B string, first fret. Middle finger is now on the G string, second fret, and ring fingers on the D string at the third fret. And we're only going to play strings 4 through 2. All right, that gets us through the verse. And then, the verse repeats the second time. And then they get into the chorus. All right, the chorus has the A minor. It starts on A minor. And I feel. Goes to G, just like the verse would. Then it goes to C. And then D is a chord we haven't had yet, but it goes to D. Now you can play it like this. Play a second fret on the high E with your middle finger. With your pointer finger, you're going to play the second fret on the G. And with your ring finger, you're going to play the B string on the third. No, the third. Makes a little triangle. So it goes A minor, G, C, D, and I think it does that 3 times. And I feel bad luck is going away. But one thing I've seen her do, you could do on this, because we're going C to D, you could could use this D shape where what you do is you just take the C and you slide your whole chord up to so your index is on the 3rd, your middle's on the 4th, and your ring is on the 5th fret. You're not really changing your fingering. You're just sliding it up. It gives you a nice kind of open D sus sound. Everybody's got something good to say. And then, so that's the tag. Is at the 3rd time we go A minor, G, C, D, C, 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 D, D, D. All right, the C to D is the kind of the climax of that chorus. All right, and then it's back down. Very Patti Smith. All right, I hope you enjoyed that beginner lesson, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me with YouTube. Bye-bye.